I'm going to show you something really cool. My PowerPole charge unit, which charges all the batteries, is in this compartment. But what's really cool is the fact that I can communicate with it through an app. So the app comes up, the SeaMonster app comes up. You can see the status of all my batteries are green and good to go. So I could go fishing right now, no problems. But the big engine battery, the one that starts the big engine and runs my electronics, is down just a little bit. I noticed that. So let's go ahead and plug this in. Okay, I've got the charge unit plugged in. You can see the battery status has already changed. The trolling motor batteries here are in pretty good shape. This is just the maintenance amount of electricity that's going down, or amperage that's going down into those batteries. The main battery is getting more juice. You can see by these little arrows. The main battery is getting quite the charge. Now the thing that I like is, let's say if it's a really windy day and you're fishing and during the course of the day your batteries are wearing down, I can actually go to my big engine, turn it on, and the alternators of the engine are hooked into the charge unit. And so it'll act like it's a charger. It'll automatically start kicking amperage into the appropriate batteries to be able to keep them going. So by just keeping the engine idling, I can keep fishing for the rest of the day. That is really cool stuff. And it's something, now that I've experienced using the charge for a number of years, I would not be without it.
Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest tips and techniques to help you get the next bite.